how to change the yarn real quick. So I'm working on a stitch right now. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the stitch right before completing the last step, and I'm gonna take the other yarn and hold it just like that, and then place it at the back of your working stitch like this, and then you can just turn over the yarn and pass it through the previous stitch, and then you can secure both yarns by tightening them from the back, and here you have. Then you can make a stitch right here to secure the new yarn, and then make a turning chain, turn, and then you can start working on the next row from the previous yarn like this.